Welcome to the guide on installing the ATOTO CA-AEC02. For your safety, park your vehicle and disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. This step is crucial to avoid any electric shock or potential short-circuiting. To connect the car battery, thread the B+/GND power cable from the CA-AEC02 through the glove box and firewall. This step requires a new firewall grommet, but don't worry if you don't have one on hand. Drilling a hole in the firewall is an alternative. Now, to protect your B+/GND cable from potential wear and tear, ensure to encase it within the provided yellow wax tube. Attach the black ground wire and the red power wire to your car battery. This installation method can only apply to a ATOTO head unit with short chassis. For detailed model names, please refer to the product description or manual. Keep in mind, the power socket on the ATOTO head units varies between 16-pin and 20-pin. Make sure to select the right cable for connecting the head unit and the CA-AEC02. Now, mount the double DLN brackets onto the head unit. Next, position the CA-AEC02 on the head unit, securing it with the provided screws. You have the choice to either install the included ATOTO universal bracket or a compatible one you've purchased separately onto the double DIN brackets, which can then be secured in the dashboard. Connect the CA-AEC02 to the car using either the 20-pin or 16-pin power cable, following the same process as you would for an aftermarket head unit installation. Connect the B+/GND cable to the CA-AEC02 and secure the amplifier head unit group in the dashboard to complete the installation. As an alternative, you might consider purchasing vehicle-specific kit to secure the unit in the dashboard. Just as before, connect the CA-AEC02 to the car using the appropriate 20-pin power cable or 16-pin cable. Once again, connect the B+/GND cable to the CA-AEC02 and secure the amplifier head unit group in the dashboard to complete the installation. First off, connect the 20P to 20P or 16P to 20P power cable to the input port of the CA-AEC02. Now, mount the double DIN brackets onto the adaptive cage and secure the CA-AEC02 to it using screws. After securing the side brackets onto the double DIN brackets, it's time to connect the car power cable. Depending on whether you're using a 20-pin or 16-pin, plug it into either the output 1 or output 2 port. Don't forget to also connect the B+/GND cable. Place the prepared CA-AEC02 into the dashboard opening. Then connect the 20P to 20P or 16P to 20P power cable with head unit. In the final step, secure the head unit onto the adaptive cage with screws to complete the installation. As an alternative, you might consider purchasing vehicle-specific kit to secure the unit in the dashboard. Choose what works best for your situation. Remember, the steps for this installation process remain the same as we've previously discussed. This installation method applies to most ATOTO and third-party head units. Have your 4-in-1 power cable at hand first. Next, connect the car's power cable to the L1 side of the 4-in-1 cable. Afterwards, link the L2 side to your head unit. If you have a 16-pin unit, you can use the 20P to 16P cable for this connection. Once done, secure the head unit within the dashboard opening. Install the side brackets onto the CA-AEC02. Plug the L3 side into input port, and then link the L4 side to output 2 16-pin port. Following that, connect the B+/GND2 in one power cable to the car battery. Lastly, fix the amplifier with screws to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing our products. We hope you enjoy your enhanced audio experience.